seconds.
Okay. Okay. Before we pose, I want you to know. It didn't. Okay. I did something wrong. But I want you to know. Oh, I catch my breath because it was long. I love you so much.
I love you too.
And I'm ready to spend the rest of my life with you.
Yeah.
You're the woman of my dreams.
Which is the love of my life.
I'm the love of your own. You're the love of my life. So.
You are not. Are
Kim?
you serious? Really? You're doing this right here? Oh my gosh.
Will you marry me?
Yes, absolutely. Oh my god. Oh, sweetheart, how long have you been waiting to do that?
I've had it for about a month now.
No, you haven't.
See if it fits. I had it resized.
You're such
for
an
you.
ass. Oh my gosh.
Does it fit?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. You've had this for that long?
Uh-huh. You know what else? The camera's recording video.
No, it's not. Is it really? I love you too. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy.
Is it
You're
the one you
sweetest
wanted?
man ever. You are the sweetest man ever.
It's the one you wanted too.
Yeah, it is. I was like, wait, is
Look
it?
at the way it shines in the light.
Look, and it does have the little.
Uh-huh.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Wow.
We're gonna get married.
Ooh. Who are we calling first? Your friends or mine?
I don't know. Da-na-na.